I brought the 94 home. Been sitting at my parents for about 3.5 years. I parked it because it needs a fair amount of work, and I want to go through it and fix a lot of things and clean up the frame. And I've got a gas truck body to go on it that's in pretty good shape. This was my first truck, so I don't want to get rid of it. Plus, I just really like it. It's been a darn good truck. I hauled it home with the old first gen. Actually did pretty good. Didn't do bad. Squatted a little bit, but this thing fires right up every time still. A little worse for wear as far as rust on the body, and a couple things on the frame need cleaned up a little bit. Nothing structural, I don't think. Just it's gonna get there if it's not taken care of. Amazes me I can let a 12 valve set like that. I mean, it still just runs. Sounds good. Sounds good too. Tires are a little more dry rotted than I had hoped, but I guess my plan is that my dually's got a cracked block 53, and it's leaking so bad it's not drivable now. It went for a while, and I've got another engine to put together for it, another 24 valve 56 block engine. Sitting in the garage. Stuff behind this mower back here. Taken out of a wrecked truck, but I don't know the mileage. I think I might freshen it up. I might do bearings and rings and stuff. And it needs a fuel system put on it, so we'll see. I hope it's a good engine. But anyway, I finally got this garage built at my house several months back, and I'm at least got a good place to work now. But thinking I'll have both trucks, but you know, the old first gen's 2-wheel drive, so I'm thinking through the winter I'll run that one around town a little bit, or if it snows, and be using it some. It won't hurt any to be used. And hopefully when I get my 24 valve back together, I'll be motivated to start working on that one. Because that's been my plan all along. I just haven't really had anywhere good to do it at the house. Even if it doesn't come together overnight, I just need to start working on it. So, and I've got me an old loader tractor now, so I can take the, you know, pull the bed off or pull an engine out or whatever. Make it a lot easier. It's an old Ford Industrial 4040 diesel. But anyway, that's my plan. Just figured I would make an update. Every now and then I still get asked about this truck. I don't plan on ever selling it, and I would love to restore it. Pretty much restore it, make it kind of like a new one, but maybe with a few hundred more horsepower. And I don't plan on putting any 22s or nothing like that on it. I may even put the stock steel. This is a low trim level truck. It's not a SLT, it's a ST model, I guess is what they are. But anyway, it's just crank windows and everything, and it had the gray steel wheels on it with the black center caps when I got it. I don't know, I may even put them back on it. We'll see. I like these wheels pretty good. They definitely need cleaned up, but that's a ways down the road anyway. I want to start working on it again when I get a chance. So figure I'll go ahead and drive it some. I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit. in the meantime. It does leak quite a bit of oil right now. I think probably out the rear main and the tappet cover. I've never put either one in the truck. It's got around 280,000 miles on it. So I might, if I get it cleaned up a little bit, I might make a quick video of it. I definitely got a few things to do before it's got a busted brake line. It's kind of one reason I hauled it home. Otherwise, it would have drove home fine. So, thanks for watching. I might try to update if anything changes. So, hopefully I can get my dually going. It'll take me a little time. I'm sure I haven't bought any parts or anything yet. I got to get the engine on the stand and go from there. But, well, thanks for watching.